2, 1. Coming to get you, ready or not. Whizz, where are you? Whizz! Whizz, you in there? Whizz?
You're never gonna catch me. You're never gonna catch me. Belly.
Whizz, where are you? Perfect.
Just a little bit there.
Hey, Whizz, you nearly finished?
Nearly, yeah. I just need to finish your nose. Look at me there. Oh, yeah, okay.
You know, I really like painting.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, I'm so excited to show you my picture.
Oh.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm not finished yet. Wait. Yeah, okay, it's done. Just 1 second. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That looks just like me.
Oh, look at my ears. Whoa.
Oh, but yours is really good, Whizz.
Oh, thanks. So is yours, Belly.
But it's not as good as yours.
It's not about who's better, Belly.
I know, but yours is... It's way better than mine.
How about we draw a tree this time? Yeah?
No, I don't want to do this anymore.
But you just said you love painting.
Well, I've changed my mind.
Oh, come on.
No thanks.
Belly,
Yeah, Whizz?
are you jealous of my painting?
What do you mean?
Jealous. It's when you think something or someone is better than you and you want to be as good as them.
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, I think the gang are here. Maybe they can help us figure this out. Hey, come on.
Hey guys.
Hey,
Bellie and Whizz.
Hi, kids. Oh, it's Ellie Mae. And Anyway, and Cody. Oh, Kira.
Hey, everybody.
How are you?
Well, I'm great, but Belly's not feeling the best today.
Belly, are you okay?
Belly.
No,
What happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
Will I tell them what happened?
No.
Well, it's good to talk about it.
Okay.
So, we were both painting pictures. I was doing a picture of Belly, and Belly was doing a picture of me.
But I love drawing, so this should have been the best day ever.
But it wasn't, because when we showed each other our pictures, Belly got a bit, you got a bit sad.
Why?
My picture was no good.
Oh, Belly, it was a really good picture. But I think you just got a bit,
Emotional?
Yeah, he was emotional, you're right.
You see, I was painting, and then I realized that Whizz's one was way better.
But it wasn't. They were both lovely. Doesn't you know what that feeling is?
Jealous? Yeah.
Yeah. I think he was feeling a little bit jealous.
Can one of you tell me what you think jealous means?
Just say there was an outfit that there was only one thing left, and somebody just took it, and you were about to get it, you'd feel a bit jealous, and if you saw that person wearing it, you'd be like, oh, I really wanted that, now I feel really jealous.
I think you know exactly how I'm feeling.
Have any of you ever felt jealous?
I'm kind of jealous that my brother got a button that if you press it, it says no for his birthday.
You were jealous that your brother got something and you didn't. Can you explain how that feels?
Kind of sad.
Kind of sad.
Jealous is kind of sad.
Yeah,
It's not a very nice feeling. Does anybody think being jealous is a nice feeling?
No, it's not.
I've got a question. Have you ever had something where people get jealous of you?
In Nigeria, that's our home country. I was a baby there, and I think my parents paid more attention to me. So I think my sister would have felt that way. I don't know.
I'm just wondering, if jealousy was a color, I wonder what color it
It
would
would be green.
You think it'd be green?
I think it would be green mushed up with red.
Could be like an olive, kind of dark olive and a dark green kind of.
Oh, dark olive green.
I think it would kind of be pink.
Like you're blushing, kind of like
Yeah.
you're getting red and jealous and angry. Yeah. How do we help Belly feel better?
If you work hard and practice, then you'll be able to do a really good drawing, and then you'll just feel better. Or ask Quiz for a little kind of drawing class.
A drawing class? Oh, that might make you feel better.
I love painting, but now that I'm jealous, I don't want to paint anymore.
Oh, Belly.
Any other ideas?
You're saying your drawing is bad. If you ask her to help you, you would get a better drawing. You guys can be perfect friends.
Yeah, that's good. That's really good.
Before I tried to draw a bunny and I was really bad, but then I practiced it a lot. And then now I'm pretty good at it.
Oh, yeah. That's great advice.
Could do some more practice. And even practice painting is fun. That's amazing advice, and I love that. Because I think I was jealous of your picture, Whizz. I thought it was much better than mine.
Well, that's okay, Belly. Because everyone gets jealous. Everyone was telling us their stories. We all get jealous sometimes. My teacher told me a good way to help with feeling jealous. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah!
Okay, now put your hand on your heart. Oh. Can you feel how warm your hands are on your heart? Now, think of what colour your heart is. Now take a deep breath in. And imagine your heart filling with your heart colour. And blow out the colour of jealousy, making a shh sound. Shh. We try it again. Hands on your heart. Nice breath in. And blow out the jealousy. One more time. Hands on your heart. Nice breath in. And blow out the colour of jealousy. And
Oh,
how do you feel now, Belly?
I feel much better.
Oh, good. How about you guys?
Amazing. Now
feel
that Belly's
amazing.
better. Now that Belly's better, I feel even happier than I was.
Great.
Yeah. And you know what, Whizz? You really are a very good artist. I just wanted to be as good as you.
No two artists are the same, Belly. There's lots of ways to make art.
Really?
Yeah. Wait. How about we make something together? All of us. Yeah. We could make a mandala together.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone can help decorate it. What do you think?
What's a mandala?
It's a big circle, and we can all decorate it together. Do you guys want to make a mandala? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Perfect. Done.
Now let's start decorating. We could put these around.
Don't put them too close to each other. Do some
Let's just-
spaces in it.
I found another.
Oh, I have a great idea.
Oh, that looks good, doesn't it, guys?
Oh, yeah.
Can you pass me some leaves? Just a couple of them, not a lot. Thank you, Cody.
That's a lot. Try more of these.
Oh, here
I
it
have
is.
to-
I give you all of mine.
No, wait. No, put these purple bits on black.
Right.
Okay, guys, what are we going to do with the black stones?
So, guys, we could put them under the leaves. Or, like, beside
I
them.
have lots.
Like this.
Yeah, it's basically.
Wait, we need more leaves over
Oh,
here.
yeah,
though.
more leaves on. Yeah, that looks pretty good, actually. Wait, put these around first.
Belly, Whizz. We're done.
We're done.
Look at that.
Oh, it's amazing.
Great job, guys.
Yeah, good job.
I think you're all brilliant artists.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Everyone deserves a big round of applause. Yay! The gang made such a beautiful mandala.
Yeah. It was great teamwork.
You know, I did feel jealous of your painting. And that didn't feel very nice. But after chatting to the gang, I know that everyone feels jealous sometimes.
Yeah. Don't worry about it, Belly.
So, how did you make my face look so real in your painting?
Oh, I could teach you if you like.
Oh, yes, please.
Okay. So, did you know if you mix two colors together, it makes another color?
What? No, it doesn't.
Yeah. So, black and white makes grey.
Ah. And what if I wanted to make the color of the sky right now?
Oh, that's like a purple. So, blue and red.
Minding me.